Hello fellow makers, welcome to HyperMakes. Today we are taking a trip down the memory lane and modding a classic, my dad's old Casio F-91W. This watch has been through thick and thin with him, but now it's time we give it a second chance by giving it a modern makeover with a translucent LCD and a centered backlight for better visibility, be it day or night. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now before we start doing the actual mods, here are a few things to consider. For the translucent LCD mod, unfortunately I don't have any recorded footage, but I will explain how to do it in the video shortly. If you remove the polarizing filter while removing the mirrored film like I did, you will need extra polarizing film like this to stick it behind the display. You will need a tracing paper like this in order to give a translucent effect to the display which is desired. You have to precisely cut and match the dimensions of the tracing paper to the dimensions of the white plastic backing. It is important as it will sit in a pre-cut place of the plastic bracket, where previously the white plastic backing used to be. Usually the LCD consists a stack of 4 layers, a polarizing filter, the LCD itself, a mirrored film and a white plastic backing to evenly spread out the backlight. The original cell of the watch was oxidized, so we are going to replace it with a new one. The original cell which came with the watch is from the brand Maxell, which is known for its quality and long-lasting power, but unfortunately we were not able to find it in our vicinity, so we settled for a cell made by Panasonic instead. This was the condition of the faceplate and straps of the watch when I received it from my dad. We'll be replacing the straps with new ones and polish the faceplate to remove any scratches. Now for making the centered backlight, we will have to disassemble the watch module first. Take apart the module by removing the metal battery holder which is held by 4 plastic notches like this. Now, remove the PCB and keep the LCD bracket aside. We will have to desolder this LED in order to bring it to the center of the PCB. Desoldering was difficult on camera, so here are some pictures for your reference. Here is a contraption I made by soldering some thin enameled copper wires to the LED and using a hot glue gun to prevent it from accidental shorts. We will place it carefully at the bottom center of the PCB and solder its terminal to the PCB, minding its anode and cathode orientation. Now, for the translucent LCD mode, start by first removing the conductive rubber strip and then the LCD from the bracket. Use the plastic tab to remove the LCD from the bracket. Place the tracing paper in the place of white plastic backing. Put the LCD back into its bracket, minding its proper orientation. Put the conductive rubber strip back in its place and start assembling the module as shown. Now use a jumper wire to start the watch module. Here is a before and after comparison of the module with the mods done. Now for polishing the faceplate, we will have to remove it from the case to remove the original brand painting. Use a microfiber cloth and a hair dryer to help in this process. Do not use a heat gun as it will destroy the plastic case and the faceplate. Use acetone or nail polish remover to remove the paint from the faceplate. Finally, clean it with isopropyl alcohol. I am using polishing compound to smooth out the surface of the faceplate and remove the scratches. But unfortunately the scratches were too deep to go away with hand polishing, so it is what it is. Mask the buttons and the inside edges of the case. I am using craft masking tape, but you can use painter's masking tape too. I went for matte black color as it masks any surface imperfections of the case. To secure the faceplate to the case, I used clear UV resin. Apply it carefully to avoid over-application like mine. Finally, cure the resin under direct sunlight or a UV lamp like this one. Finally, start assembling the watch by putting together the components one after another. First, place the module inside the case. Then place the rubber seal in its place, which will help our watch being water resistant. At last, close the watch using its metal backplate and secure it using its factory screws. I went for silicone straps with quick release lugs for easy strap modifications in future. So there you have it. With a few simple steps, we have transformed a classic Casio F-91W into a watch that's both functional and stylish. These mods give a great way to personalize your watch, give an old favorite a new life, or maybe create a unique gift for your dad. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, leave a thumbs up. Dislike if you disliked it, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Till then, take care and I will see you guys in the next one.